Adding Flash to Iceweasel on the Raspberry Pi is very easy. All we need to do is open LX Terminal and then type in the following command: sudo apt-get and install Iceweasel and browser-plugin-gnash, and then hit enter. And then yes to install, and we just wait for everything to install. So go make a cup of tea and, or do whatever you like while it's copying everything. So now that's installed, I'm going to bring up Iceweasel and we're going to give it a test on YouTube. Now this isn't a perfect Flash player. It will give you Flash abilities, but to be honest, the Raspberry Pi is rather underpowered for Flash. It will work great with simple animations and stuff, but you may find that after 5 minutes of video it tends to cut out and things. So I wouldn't try using this as a YouTube player. But just to test this, I'm going to bring up Iceweasel, which should load eventually, and I'm going to play one of my videos and see how long it plays for without freezing, because there may have been some software improvements since I last looked into this. So youtube.com/DC Foreman UK, and we'll try one of my nice long videos. Now the graphics won't be perfect on this because I'm actually transmitting this over VNC, so you can expect, you know, real-time playback on your actual device itself. This will do. I think that's over 5 minutes. As you can see, there's no error messages saying there's no Flash installed, which is half the battle in these things. Sorry if you can hear drilling on the video, there's a lot of workmen outside my place at the moment. There we go. Oh, it's only a 2-minute video, that's no good, is it? So I just paused the video while I found one of an appropriate length, and you know, I think an hour and 10 minutes will be more than enough. So I'll click on play. We'll see how blazingly fast all this is. I really should be playing the Chariots of Fire right now, shouldn't I? Oh, it's picking up from where apparently I stopped playing last time. That's not very useful. I'll continue recording the speed of this. Again, it may be faster on the actual device itself, remembering I am serving a live VNC screen, so that is likely impacting performance quite a bit. So, you know, give it a go, it doesn't cost anything. And if you don't like the speed of everything, then you don't have to. So I believe this is now playing. I hope. Yes, it is playing. Again, it's slow, but that's because I'm using VNC more than anything else. So the screen updates are going to be fairly irregular. My network's quite slow, so because I'm loading it down with a few other things at the same time. But you know, it's loading the video and it is playing. There is sound on the actual device itself. That's not actually hooked up to connect at the moment, I'm afraid. So what I'm going to do now is just leave this recording, and you can skip ahead in the recording. It seems to have settled down now. You're getting roughly second by second updates. Well, it was. Okay. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think this is a fair test. The best thing you can install is install it yourself. Go to my video, which is brilliant, and test it out for yourself. But as you can see, Flash is working in Iceweasel, and without VNC, it may well be working in real time. But as I say, I'm loading down the system with a number of things. I've also got a web server running on this and a few other background processes as well. So to be honest, I'm going to be making my little Raspberry Pi struggle under this rather hefty load. So yeah, best thing you can do is just keep background services to a minimum and install Iceweasel, then use the instructions to install this Flash player, and hopefully it should all work properly. So let me know if it does. So sort of comment or post a video response, and let me know what sorry, mine's gone completely. Your experience with this is like. So anyway, thanks for watching. Ta-ra.